Okay. Wow. Well, welcome back to Squaw Peak Dental. I have missed our family of patients. And I hope this attempted YouTube video finds you and your family or your families well and healthy. You know, our community has been through a lot these last couple of months. And I think everybody's looking forward to returning to some new, normal routines. One of those should be visiting the dentist. I hope everyone remembers how important their oral health is. While a lot has changed these last couple of months, one thing that has remained the same is our constant commitment to our patients' safety. Our office follows all the latest infection control recommendations and guidelines by the full alphabet of agencies, the ADA, the CDC, the OSHA, the ADH, and even the TLJ, which is my wife, Terry Lynn Jorgensen. When it's time for your next appointment, you might see some changes around the office. For example, I might be drinking the coronavirus. You know, after, 7 weeks of lockdown, I start drinking early. But really, I don't mean to make light of it. You know, this coronavirus, the COVID-19, it's a serious disease. And I hope I haven't offended anybody who may have been hurt or harmed or even devastated by this terrible, terrible disease. So when you do come in for your next visit, you will see some new changes. And I'd like to tell you about a couple of those. Let me show you. So the next time you come to the office, before your appointment, our wonderful team is going to reach out and communicate with you. We're going to ask you a couple of questions. And then we're going to ask you the same questions when you come into the office. We're trying to screen our patients so that we take really, really good care of everybody. When you land at the front door, we're going to take your temperature. Perfect. And we're going to give you a little hand sanitizer that we'll provide, because once you cross the threshold, we want to try to keep everything as clean as we can. In the event that we're not ready for you when you enter the office, we're going to ask you to sit down here in the reception room, which I know you will notice doesn't have any of those great magazines. I know you're going to see that we've made some changes to the seating chart. In the event that you have to wait in the reception room, and it's unlikely that you will, you can see that you're going to be able to sit safely in a social. We also encourage you to bring an iPad or your own reading materials, and we want to share with you that if you would like, you can wait in your car, and we can text you when you're ready if you don't want to spend any time in the reception room. We also want you to know that we're doing our best to manage the appointments so that there'll be fewer patients in the office, and again, safer social distancing. You know, most importantly, we really look forward to seeing you again, and we're happy to answer any questions. And lastly, I want to thank you for being a patient of Squaw Peak Dental. It means so much to us that you value our service and our trust, and we look forward to welcoming our patients back. Stay healthy and don't forget to floss.